Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that's new on the latest Plants vs. Brainrots update. Today is the 17th of January. So finally, as you can see, we are now able to sort our items. So for instance, like we're in Brainrots, I want to sort it by best, rarity, weight, and favorite. You are able to do that now, which is great. Finally, we also have a new biome here. If you look, it is the Mushroom Marsh. I will need to complete 25 more missions. Here I go back again to this game grinding. And obviously new Brainrots from that biome. What else is new? If you want to find out what's new, just go to view update logs. There's also new features, which is we now have garden loadouts. I will talk to you guys about it in the video after this. There's also, we can also pick up all plants and show us AFK if you'd like to. Those things are new. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Also new gears as well. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!